Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 20-foot by 48-inch Ultra XTR round frame, above-ground pool set and water test kit. This set comes with everything you need for endless summer fun in the backyard. This round-framed pool is 20 feet in diameter and 48 inches tall, allowing it to hold up to 7,947 gallons of water. Before you make a splash, make sure your pool water is safe with the included Taylor K 2006 Pool Water FAS-DPD Chlorine Test Kit. This kit includes tests for chlorine, pH, acid and base, alkalinity, calcium hardness, and cyanuric acid. This pool comes complete with a Krystal Clear 110 to 120 V, 2100 GPH sand filter pump, pool ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. Product benefits: laminated PVC siding with 3 separate material layers for strength and durability. Includes Krystal Clear 110 to 120 V, 2100 GPH sand filter pump, pool ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. Keep your swimming pool safe with the Taylor K 2006 Pool Water FAS-DPD Chlorine Test Kit. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.